today in class 9 biology we will start with the 5 kingdom classification. 5 kingdom classification, that is a recent scheme of classification, that is starts with the Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalae. So first kingdom Monera, that is unicellular and prokaryotic. That is it is mainly include bacteria, blue-green bacteria, cyanobacteria and some unicellular algae. These are single cell organism. There are no organized nucleus. The nuclear material DNA is distributed in the cell without being enclosed in the nuclear membrane. This condition of cell is known as a prokaryotic. There is primitive one, and the nucleus also primitive. They are also divided of membrane bound organelle like mitochondria and chloroplast. So these are the way of this Monera. Now move on to the another thing, that is Protista. That is appropriately Protista. That is a single cell organism having a well defined nucleus with the nuclear membrane. They include both the unicellular green autotrophic organism as well as the unicellular non-green heterotrophic organism, and also some of their multicellular photosynthetic descendant like Pandorina. So these are the class Protista. Now move on to the another, that is Fungi. That is Achlorophilus, usually multicellular, eukaryotic, saprophytic. Most fungi are made up of thread-like hyphae rather than cell, and there are many nuclei distributed in the continuous cytoplasm. Bread mold, toadstool, yeast, penicillium. These are the different example. Here also we will see the diagram also by which we can explain the term. Now move on to the kingdom Plantae, that is multicellular, eukaryotic. They are made up of many cells. They have chlorophyll and they make their own food by photosynthesis. That is autotrophic, that is self-nourishing. Include thallophyta, that is bryophytes, pteridophytes also, that is gymnosperm and also angiosperm. So thallophyta, that is include all algae, Chlamydomonas volvox. The thallophytes are autotrophic as they contain chlorophyll. They have thallus-like body, and the plant body cannot be distinguished into root, stem or leaves. They are primarily aquatic. Bryophyte, that is mosses and liverworts. Plants belonging to this group have the plant body that false root-like structure called rhizoids, leaf-like structure. They are autotrophs mainly. Includes all the ferns. Plant belonging to this group have a plant body that distinguishes into root, stem and leaves. They are often made of leaflet bearing spores of underside. They are non-flowering plants. Whereas in case of gymnosperm, Cycaspinous fert, plant belonging to this group bear naked seed, the seed not enclosed in fruit. They bear both male and female cone containing pollen and ovules respectively. They may either trees or shrubs. There are of two types, cycads and conifers. Angiosperm include all flowering plants. Plants belonging to these groups have the highly developed plant body, and which can be differentiated in root, stem and leaves, and enclosed in a fruit that further divided into monocot and dicot. Monocot means single cotyledons. Group of these cotyledons, single cotyledon, parallel venescent, maize, grass. These are the example. Whereas in dicot, the plant belonging to this group, they are seeds with two cotyledon having the taproot system. Pea, potato, apple, sunflower. These are the example. Now we on to kingdom Animalae. That is multicellular, eukaryotic, heterotrophic, multicellular organism without cell wall, while chlorophyll usually mobile and heterotrophic in nature. Living organism, generally most of the familiar or plant animals are worth understanding. The most distinct differences in the two. So these are the defined 5 groups of 5 kingdom classification. Today up to that, next we will start with another topic.